Welcome to our in-depth guide on how to conceive twins. Today, we'll dive into proven scientific methods, helpful lifestyle tips, and even tackle common myths. Whether you're curious about natural methods or considering medical assistance, we've got you covered. Twins come in two forms: identical and fraternal. Identical twins happen when one fertilized egg splits into two. Fraternal twins occur when two eggs are fertilized by different sperm. While identical twins are random, fraternal twins can be influenced by family history, age, and even diet. Did you know women over 30, or those with a family history of twins, have higher chances of conceiving them? Adding dairy and folic acid-rich foods like spinach to your diet may also help. Higher body mass index, BMI, has been linked to an increased likelihood of fraternal twins, but always aim for healthy weight overall. Already breastfeeding or planning more children. Studies show these factors can naturally increase your twin chances. Plus, using ovulation tracking kits can help time conception during peak fertility when multiple eggs may be released. For those considering medical interventions, treatments like IVF and ovulation-stimulating medications, such as Clomid, are highly effective. Consulting a fertility specialist is key to understanding these options and tailoring them to your needs. Let's debunk some myths. Eating yams or standing on your head doesn't scientifically boost twin chances. And sorry, but astrology won't help here either. Stick with science-backed methods for the best results. Hear from twin parents who combined factors like ovulation tracking and fertility consultations to make their dreams a reality. Their stories underscore the importance of professional guidance and patience. As promised, here are some bonus tips. Maintain reproductive health, reduce stress, and avoid harmful habits like smoking. Studies also suggest conceiving shortly after stopping hormonal birth control may increase your odds. To sum up, while genetics and chance play significant roles, factors like diet, ovulation tracking, and medical help can improve your odds. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on all things family planning.